Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing fine. So, today we'll be learning English, and in English, we'll be learning phonic sounds. Do you know what is phonic sounds? Do you know how many alphabets are there in English? Yes, there are 26 alphabets in English. Do you know which are them? Shall we say that together? Shall we revise it? Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. So all of you know the alphabets, right? Okay. So all these alphabets have a specific sounds. When we say these alphabets, there is a sound coming. And these sounds of alphabets are called phonic sounds. So what is phonic sound? The sound of alphabets are called phonic sounds. Okay, so you understood what is phonic sounds, right? Very good. So we'll be learning the phonic sounds by using a rhyme. We'll be singing a rhyme and learning the phonic sounds. Okay, children, do you like to sing rhymes? Do you like rhymes? Very good. So we'll be learning a rhyme today. So teacher will be singing that first and then we'll sing it together. Okay, so shall we start? Very good. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. B makes a sound of b, b, b. C makes a sound of k, k, k. D makes a sound of d, d, d. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. E makes a sound of e, e, e. F makes a sound of f, f, f. G makes a sound of g, g, g. H makes a sound of h, h, h. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. I makes a sound of E, E, E. J makes a sound of J, J, J. K makes a sound of K, K, K. L makes a sound of L, L, L. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. M makes a sound of M, M, M. N makes a sound of N, N, N. O makes a sound of O, O, O. P makes a sound of P, P, P. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Q makes a sound of Qu, Qu, Qu. R makes a sound of R, R, R. S makes a sound of S, S, S. T makes a sound of T, T, T. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. U makes a sound of V makes a sound of W, W, W. W makes a sound of W, W, W. X makes a sound of X, X, X. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Y makes a sound of Y, Y, Y. Z makes a sound of Z, Z, Z. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Did you enjoy the rhyme? Did you like it? It's good, right? Very good. So don't worry, we'll be repeatedly singing it again and again and we'll be learning it. If you don't know right now, we'll be learning it in the coming classes. and we will be singing this again and again. Okay, so you'll be automatically learning, and if you learn this rhyme, you'll be learning phonic sounds also. Okay, very good. So today in today's class, teacher will be teaching you only 4 sounds. That is for the first 4 alphabets. Which are they? A, B, C, and D. Okay, so all these 4 alphabet sounds we'll be learning today. Okay, so shall we sing the rhyme again for these 4 sounds? Okay, sing with me. Can you sing with me now? Okay, let's start. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. B makes a sound of b, b, b. C makes a sound of k, k, k. D makes a sound of d, d, d. Got it? Very good. So what's the first letter? First sound? A. So what's the sound? Shall we sing the rhyme again to get the sound? Very good. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. A makes a sound ah, ah, ah. A makes a sound ah. A makes a sound ah. Very good. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. Did you got the sound? Ah, ah. Okay. So tell me whether you can say any words with A. What is this thing? Yes, apple. A for apple. A for apple. How do you say apple? Apple. Apple. You can see a sound coming, right? That's a sound coming from our throat or our vocal, right? So that's a sound of A. Okay. So A makes a sound A. A makes a sound A. A for apple. A for apple. Very good. Okay, can you say another word with A? What is this? Yes, ant. A for ant. A for ant. Can you say another word? A for ambulance. A for ambulance. Very good. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. So when we see all these words, we can listen to the sound a. So that's the sound of A. A for abacus. A for abacus. A for axe. A for axe. Very good. So you learned the alphabet and the sound, right? So shall we revise again? What are the words? A for apple. A for apple. A for ant. A for ant. Very good. A for ambulance. A for ambulance. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for abacus. A for abacus. A for axe. A for axe. Okay, children, got the first one? So let's sing the rhyme again. Okay. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. Which is the second letter? Yes, B. So let's sing the rhyme again. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. B makes a sound of b, b, b. B makes a sound b. B makes a sound b, b. Very good. So can you tell me any word with B? Something which you used to play? Yes, ball. B, ball. B, ball. B, bat. B, bat. Bat. Very good. Did you got the sound? B. B. Very good. Now another word. B. butterfly. Butterfly. Hmm? B for butterfly. Another word, bird. B for bird. Bird. B for balloon. Balloon. Very good. Got the sound? When we say all these words, the sound b is coming. Okay, so that's the sound of B. So what are the words we learned? Ball. Bat. Butterfly. Bird. Okay, children, you got the sound? Shall we sing the rhyme again? Okay, together. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. B makes a sound of b, b, b. B makes a sound b. B makes a sound b. Very good. So what's the third letter? C. Let's revise the rhyme again. Good. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. B makes a sound of b, b, b. C makes a sound of k, k, k. C makes a sound k. C makes a sound k. C makes a sound k. Did you got the sound? K, k. Very good. Can you say something with C? Some word with C? Yes. Cat. K, cat. K, cat. Very good. Another word? Cow. 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 Do you know what we used to look at the time? Yes, clock. 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 Carrot. Carrots. Carrots. Very good. So can you see the sound coming? When we see all these words. Cat. Cow. Clock. Carrot. The sound k is coming from our throat. Okay, so that's the sound of C. K. Okay, can you say another word? How we go for driving? Inside what? Yes, car. 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 Now, cake. Yummy cake, right? Yes, cake. Cake. Got the sound? Let's revise the words again. Very good. Cat. Cow. Clock. Carrots. Car. Cake. Got the sound? The sound of C is k. Let's revise the rhyme again. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. B makes a sound of b, b, b. C makes a sound of k, k, k. D makes a sound of d, d, d. Which is the fourth letter? Yes, D. D makes a sound of d, d, d. D makes a sound d. D makes a sound d. D makes a sound d. Got the sound? D. D. Can you say something with D? Duck. Very good. Duck. D for duck. D for duck. D for dog. Dog. Very good. Dog. Can you say another one? D for dolphin. Dolphin. D for doll. D for doll. D for donkey. D for donkey. Got the sound? D. D. Got the sound coming when we say all these words? Dog, duck, donkey, dolphin, doll. What's the sound coming? D. D. Okay, children? So that's the sound of D. 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 Very good. So shall we revise the words again? D for duck. D for dog. D for dolphin. D for donkey. D for doll. Got it? Very good. If you didn't got it, you can repeatedly watch this video again and again and practice this. Okay? No need to stress, no need to worry. You can learn this gradually. We can learn this by singing the rhyme and also watching this video again and again. You can learn this. Okay? So don't worry about that. So shall we sing the rhyme again? Very good. A makes a sound of ah, ah, ah. B makes a sound of b, b, b. C makes a sound of k, k, k. D makes a sound of d, d, d. Sing this song so you don't forget how to say the alphabet. Got it, children? Did you enjoy the class? Now do you know what are the sounds of A, B, C and D? Yes. Shall we revise that again? A makes a sound A. B makes a sound B. C makes a sound K. D makes a sound D. You got it? Very good. So today's activity is you need to practice this. You need to revise these alphabets and also revise all the sounds. Okay? The A, B, K and D sound. Okay, children? So I hope you all enjoy the class. So I'm winding up. So until we see you in another video, take care, be happy, bye bye, thank you.